This is AIX, your daily dose of AI news. Watch this robot fold an origami fox from scratch. Looks impossible, right? Wrong.
I can fold the orange square into an origami fox. Did you know that the word origami comes from the Japanese words ori, meaning to fold, and kami, meaning paper?
Just 5 years ago, this level of insanity would require millions in specialized hardware and thousands of lines of code. But this is running on Gemini 2.0. Traditional robots need explicit programming for every micro movement. But here's where it gets crazy. Watch this.
Can you put the bananas in the clear container?
One simple voice command. No code, no programming, just natural language. That's because Gemini doesn't just see objects, it understands them. Their relationships, their purposes, their potential. But that's just the beginning. Look at this precision.
Can you flip the red die so that it matches the number on the green die?
A task that would normally require complex computer vision systems, precise calibration, and thousands of lines of code. Now, just ask. Here's where it gets interesting. Opening a Ziplock bag, something your toddler struggles with, has been nearly impossible for robots until now. The dexterity, the adaptability, the understanding of force and friction, all from a single AI model. That's why Google DeepMind created Gemini Robotics, their most advanced vision language action model ever built. Factory automation, healthcare, elderly assistance. The applications are limitless. Tasks that once required human hands are now within reach of machines that can see, understand, and act. But here's the craziest part. Watch this.
Pick up the basketball and slam dunk it.
Did you see that precision? That spatial awareness? That fluid motion? This isn't just following a rigid program. This is understanding physics, adapting in real time, making split-second adjustments, the kind of hand-eye coordination that used to be exclusively human. Traditional robotics, isolated, limited, expensive. Want to see more mind-blowing AI technology like this? Subscribe to AIX now and hit that notification bell to never miss the future as it happens. The gap between impossible and reality has never been smaller.